trick, do it for your name. But there's gonna be a day when you're standing in all fame. And the world's gonna know your name.
You said the gun was mine. It's cool, no I don't like you. But I got smarter, I got harder in the nick of time. Honey, I rose up from the dead, I do it all the time.
Dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, da 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 da. Dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, da 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 da. Dum dum da da da.
Make some
Meet me at the hotel room. Meet me at the hotel room. Meet me at the hotel room. Vito got your boyfriend and
I wanna give you one last option. I wanna give you one last chance. If you're looking for the main attraction, just hold on tight and let me do my dance. If you want it, I'm gonna be baba boom boom. If you got it, you got it, you got that boom.
Dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, da 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 da. Dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, da 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 da. Dum dum da da da. Dum dum da da da, dum dum da da da, da 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 da. Dum dum da da da.
Hiccup is gonna kick.
He's not a problem. Really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Berk, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Diamond District in the chain. Serve by you know I'm gang, 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 gang. Woo! Just something good.
Little girl gone, got a gun from a gangster. Run little go faster. Little girl gone, got a gun from a gangster.
Is something out there.
Hiccup.
So we go after them.
What?
One day, you're gonna pick a fight you can't win.
'cause I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright.
You see, when I did this little move to Toothless to leave, leaving was actually the last thing I told him to do.
We about to crown, Wagons is about to go down. Ain't nobody round and round, and then the night is going down. One more shot, another round, and then the night is going down.
Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? We'll try this on.
Day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Oh no, I can't say yours. Takes me so.
There is no way you're flying in your condition. Alright? I am sorry. As leader, I am putting my foot down. Remind me never to put my foot down again.
I can still hear you, Hiccup, but I agree.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay, you've got to hold on tighter.
Oh, sorry.
Don't apologize. The truth is, obviously, I'm glad you're here.
If I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue me.
Keep the bass jump, keep it on jump, keep the bass jump, I got it cool for a 10.
Get to my shit!
It's my glory!
Oh, it's ruining everything!
No sheep, no glory!
Gotcha!
Well played! That might get your daughter-in-law.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shining bright like a diamond. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I do so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a
That might get your daughter-in-law.
Índio come xota, índio come.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery.
I had a boy, and his name was Ethan. I got a name. My name was Bailey. I knew he needed me, and I needed him too.
Stood me up. Tell me something that I forget, and you might have to tell me again. It's crazy what you do for a friend.
You want this? You want it? Oh, I'll give it to you. Come on, say it. Say you want it. Say it. Or should I say it? Tears. Tears, tears.
No!
What's wrong with you? It's not his fault Hiccup's gone. Why do you have to be so mean? Did you hear my code? Well, you can start by being kind. Oh wait, you can't do that because kindness is nowhere in that scrawny little body of yours. I wake up screaming from dreaming. One day I'll watch it. Where are you when I need you? Life will lose all its meaning for the last time. It's me.
My problem? Are you serious?
Allow me to lay it out for you, my black dear. You have no respect for the people around you who are just trying to help you be a part of the team. You have no respect for fish legs, certainly none for Snotlout, and you couldn't have less respect for the two of us. Always rooting for the anti-hero. Well, you can start by being kind. Oh wait, you can't do that.
What are you doing with my dragon?
You really like to sneak up on people.
Only the ones who deserve it. And don't give me your innocent routine.
I wouldn't think of it. You're way too smart for that, Astrid. I think your dragon likes me. See you later, Stormfly.
I think your dragon likes me. From people you know to people you don't. We used to be close, but people can go from people you know to people you don't. And what hurts the most is people can go from people you know to people you don't.
Hey, family is family.
Look what you done.
Me and you and me. Why don't we see who is better? We don't have to be one in the same thing. Oh, what's so wrong with a little competition? Are you afraid of failing the audition?
Solid, nothing to identify. You never see her with a different guy. Ever tell you different, then it's a lie. See, that's my down bitch. See, that's my soldier. She keep that bang bang. If anyone goes there.
Suave.
lookout for Captain Saberhow, cause he's saving how. Is a, should I say how?
I wanna be saved.
Is a, should I say how?
I wanna be saved.
Get him, you son of an Eric. Okay, I love you again.
But what do we have in common? We're reliable with the ladies. There are so many to deflower. Ladies, looks, proximity to power. Ladies,
Catching up with Bob.
Weapon baby,